Good morning! Welcome back to Pienk Elf. My name is Crystal, and the soap we're making today is going to be for the men, and it's called Oat Beer. As usual, we are going to start off by pouring our lye solution into our oils. And you'll notice that this solution is brown instead of clear like it usually is, and that is because I replaced the water portion of the solution with beer. So I boiled the beer for about 15 minutes, added it to some ice cube trays once it cooled off, let it freeze overnight, and then I used those ice cubes to make our lye solution. Since men usually like plainer bars, I'm going to leave this soap all one color, and I'm going to color it using soft brown from TKB Trading. For our fragrance today, I'm going to be using Light Lager by Aztec. And then once I get the fragrance oil mixed in, I'm going to add in some oats that I ground up, and this will give the soap some light exfoliation. Alright, and that is it for this soap. We are going to let this sit for 24 hours and we'll come back tomorrow for the cut. Welcome back. We have our oat beer soap here already unmolded, so let's go ahead and cut into it. Whoa, that's cool. So it looks like our soap partially gelled in the middle. So it gave it this really cool design. I really actually like that. That was a nice unexpected twist. And here is a close-up of the finished bars. You can see our oats in there. This was definitely an unexpected design, but I really like it. If you also enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye!